Hi everyone, we're going to talk about the chapter 8, the exercise 7. So the exercise is related to a company called Diaz Company, which owns a machine that costs $125,700, and throughout all the lifetime of the useful life, so it has accumulated a depreciation of $92,300. So now we're gonna prepare the entry to record the disposal of the machine. Okay, but we have four situations. The first case is the machine needed extensive repairs and was not worth repairing. So Diaz disposed of the machine, receiving nothing in return. Second case, Diaz sold the machine for 17,200 cash. In the third case, the machine is sold for 33,400 cash, and in the last case, the machine is sold for 40,500 cash. Before recording those cases, we have to understand the cases. So, the first case, the company decided to scrap the machine to get it off. Then if the machine still has a value left, but the company do not receive any return, any payment back, the value of the machine that is left will be lost. So it is a real loss. In the case number two, the company decided to sell the machine, and if the machine was sold by 17 or for 17,200, and it is added the depreciation of 92,300, so then we will have a loss of 18,200, because we have to compare the cost price of the machine when the machine was purchased with the total amount of money received in cash and depreciation. So even so, we have a loss. So remember that even when we have a cash money, that doesn't mean that there is any gain, right? In the case three, the company decided also to sell the machine with a higher price, 33,400. And in that case, after doing the formula, the multiplications and additions and subtraction, it is like we are giving the machine away, because we don't have any gain, neither a loss. So both prices, the cost price and the full price sold, is the same. In the case four, the company decided to sell the machine, and the machine was sold for 400,000. Sorry, for $40,500, and then we have a gain in this case. If we compare with the cost price, so the gain is 7,100. So after analyzing this, we have to record the journal. So in the first case, we have a loss, right? A loss of 33,400. So we have to obviously record the accumulated depreciation of the machine as debit, then the loss as debit too, and the machine cost as credit. So and voila, that's it. In the second case, we have a cash because we received the money, right? We have the accumulation depreciation and obviously a loss, all of them debits, and the machine price always credit. So in the third case, we have a cash and accumulated depreciation, in which is debit, and the machine credit too. Both causes are the same. In the fourth case, which is the most convenient case, we have a cash and accumulated depreciation in debit, but in this case we have a gain in the sale on the sale of the machine. So in this case, the gain, it's recorded on credit in the machine too. So we have the different cases recorded and organized in those different things, in different records. Thank you.